Here we are. You can see the sewer filling up. Now somebody just flushed the toilet. This is actually the backflow valve. You can see that's what's right down the screen. It's having a hard time opening. We're going to open it for a second and see what it does. I think it is flat in here. You can see all the construction debris in the bottom. You can't go through that, otherwise the camera gets stuck. You can see just from me doing that, it did drain it down some. We're going to shut the bathtub off. We'll be right back. Thank you. Did we eat lunch? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I didn't eat all my lunch.
I ate your lunch?
No, I didn't eat all my lunch. Oh.
Huh?
Alright, we're just waiting for this water to run down. Back here. You can see the flapper there. So it's an old brass flapper. It does seem like it's working to some extent. You can see like there's that big lug of stuff on the top there. There's a lot of construction debris in the bottom. You can see just like the build up on all the sides here. It's a pretty built up pipe. The problem is we just don't really have an access necessarily to do this kind of work. It's going to be pretty difficult. Looks like we do have like a wall access that we might be able to use, but there's a lot of tie-ins, so I don't know what I don't know what the rest of this looks like from different angles, because right there are the tie-ins. So what's it look like to the left of that? I mean, even there's a tie. That's a toilet most likely. Guessing there's maybe 2 stacks in here. Maybe we can figure that out. Now we're going back through the new stuff. We're going to go look through I'm resetting the footage here. Go look through the front clean out. Hey Alex, you want to put that backflow back together? These are a clean out that they extended. Not sure. I'm hoping they used. Oh yeah, I used it. So over here, that backflow valve is just back here a little bit, right behind this clean out. You can see the soot on the bottom. You can see the scale building up again here. Actually, want to run the cold water on anything? It definitely doesn't have a lot of pitch here. One second. So we're really cranking out the water, try to get this stuff to clean out, so I don't know what's going on here. I think it's a 4x6. There's like a rock in here too. Alright, let's kill all the water. Thank you. We're gonna pause this till we stop seeing water coming out. Alright, we're back. Here's the city. Coming back out of it here. You can see that this is getting a little flat in here. You can see on the right there all the scale and buildup that's in it. You can see there's like chunks there. I'm not too worried about the stuff that's all the way down here. This will eventually go. I don't see it causing a backup. There's that rock. Here we come into the 4-inch. You can see how badly scaled up that is. That's really bad. That's super bad. And that there looks like a chunk of tile.